Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. And if you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's video is going to be a wig review from Outre's Melted Hairline collection. So if you guys are interested in the unit that I have, then please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I have bought 2 more wigs. I bought these a while back. I just haven't had time to film them. I purchased these with my own money from samsbeauty.com. Everything will be listed up on the screen as per usual, but let's just get into the nitty gritty and the colors that I have. So I have one unit. Her name is Elissa, I believe. This is the unit carton. I already went ahead, cut the lace. I did not send the lace or anything like that, just because we're going to be swapping and things. It's just going to be messy. And I'm trying to keep things as simple as possible. So here is the unit carton that it comes in. It has some care instructions on the inside. It has the name and everything on the bottom. And here is the stock card that it comes with. I have this one on right here. Is DR4 Pearl Blonde. This unit is 22 inches long. It is heat friendly, HD transparent lace. That is the band. We're going to show you all that with the other units. Now, baby hairs, I feel like on this one are a lot more than on the other one, but that's all right. But we're going to see as we try them on. So here's the care card. It has all instructions inside. And extra information. It does come in a wide variety of colors, you guys. So first impressions, I already had this color in another unit, and let me tell you, I seen it on this one, and I had to try it. I love the loose wavy curls going on. It reminds me of my own natural hair texture. It is more on the silkier side. It's not 100% silky, so maybe like a light yaki, silky yaki. I don't know textures. I'm not a wig guru or a professional. But as you can see, I do have her not glued down at all. And you guys, without me tinting the lace, it doesn't look that bad. I feel like the blend is pretty good. I love the colors at the root. It's not too dark, as you guys can see. Look at that. But let me tell you, the baby hairs on this one, I mean, it's given for me, and I really like this color. Now, she is on the thin side, I will say. Very breathable. I don't know if she's going to be big head friendly. She is snug, but not uncomfortable snug in this particular one. It might be different with the other one. There could be variations. I'm not really sure. But let's go ahead and give you guys a 360 on this unit. This color is so pretty. Again, I love that it's heat safe, heat friendly up to 400 degrees. I did not brush this out because I really wanted the waves to kind of pop and be defined. If you brush them out, they're going to be very loose, and it's just not, that's not the look I'm going for. So really quickly, I'm going to put the other color on and show you the inside. Standard cap construction to their collection for the melted hairline. So you have, here's the inside of the cap. You have 2 combs at the temples, 1 at the nape. You have your elastic band. Now this one here is in the color DR Mold Wine. So let's go ahead and get this back. Alrighty, so now we have the DR Mold Wine on, and it is such a difference, like night and day, you guys. So at the root, I feel like I would have to tint it a little bit just to kind of hide the knots. But other than that, it's still not that bad. I definitely feel like there's less baby hairs on this unit compared to the blonde. Not necessarily hating it, but I do like to have that option for the baby hairs. That's just personal preference. And as you can see, she's not glued down or anything. She is flapping right now. I will say I feel like the root for me and my personal preference is a little bit too dark. I feel like they could have gotten a little bit lighter, maybe as a 4. I'm not really sure what this root is supposed to be, whether it's a 2 or a 1, but it does add depth to this color. It is absolutely gorgeous. On camera, on the viewfinder, it's looking really dark, but in person, I mean, I'm getting that red tone coming through. So let's go ahead and do a 360 and see what it looks like. All right, you guys, so that is the 360 for this color. Again, 22 inches, Melted Hairline Collection. Let me tell you, I feel like this texture feels slightly more yucky than the blonde color. So if you have a preference, I'm not sure how consistent that is throughout the line. But that's just little things that I'm noticing. And I do feel like this one is, again, it's snug. So I wouldn't say they're big head friendly. But again, it's not, for me, it's not uncomfortable snug. So you're going to have to, you know, I mean, if you're going to do it, you might have to not use the clips. I am using the clips as well. But look how pretty that is. I'm not going to, like, this is gorgeous. I will say I thought it was going to be a little bit more lighter. But considering how this is, the vibes that it is giving, I don't hate it at all. Like, this looks so good, you guys. And I didn't even tint the lace, and I feel like it blends in pretty good with my current, you know, with the makeup that I have on. It probably could use a little bit more just to give it that oomph. You always want to add more to your work, to your wigs, especially like tinting the lace and stuff. But again, that's personal preference. All right, you guys, what do you think of these 2 units? These are so freaking beautiful. I love this. I will say I'm not a long unit type of girl. I'm very like shoulder length just because of the matting that can happen. It's a lot of work, but on that odd occasion where you want to change up your look, this is absolutely beautiful. 22 inches is not too long. It's like just like it's hitting right where I want it. I think anything more than 22 inches on me is going to look weird just because I am short. So 22 inches is long on me. It might not be long on someone else, but for me it is kind of long. So yeah, that wraps up this review. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys like these units. Let me know down in the comments below which one is your favorite color. I will have to say I'm torn. I love the blondes, but I'm a sucker for a burgundy or red tone. I always have. My grandmother used to have red hair, so that's always going to hold a special soft spot in my heart. So I really can't choose. So you guys, let me know which ones you think look best on me, because I can't make up my mind, honestly. If you have made it this far in the video and you have not done so already, give this video a like. It pushes out my content out in that YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to leave your thoughts below down in the comments, and don't forget to sting that subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos anywhere from Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, your mom, your neighbor, your brother, whoever. And I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye.